This is a smashed pull cord pulley for the mower. This is what it should look like the other way round, to stop this throw pin being thrown out too far. A bit of a muck about on the 3D printer and some super glue, and it's all fixed now. Everything works fine. The throw pin goes out just as it should do, without falling out and smashing everything else to pieces as it did. This part was going to cost £35 just for the pulley. As it is, it took me about half an hour of modelling and about the same to print it.